bang smack. Stayed at the Knott Mall branch shelter last night. Went up one little mountain and now I'm coming down, and then we got a long one, like a 5-miler uphill mountain. So that's gonna be the big challenge today. And it's supposed to rain at some time. So far it's nice. First time we're gonna have to wade through a stream here.
What's that?
I'm talking on my video. Fortunately, it hadn't rained for 4 or 5 days, or it would be a lot higher. I made it across, no problem, just ankle deep. Got my shoes wet. Fortunately, it hadn't rained yet. It hadn't rained, like I said, 5 days or so, or maybe more, I'm not sure. But it's supposed to rain today or tonight or very soon. So it's gonna get a lot higher and a lot swifter. Going up a grassy area, which has been nice because the incline isn't as steep, nearly as steep as the mountain part. So it's greatly appreciated. There's a pretty view. That's where we're going. This is a huge area that's called Burke's Garden. You see all those mountains surrounding it. It's, I believe the whole area is like a huge sinkhole, but I'm not sure if that's the origin or not. But the whole area inside those mountains to the right of the picture and straight ahead and to the left of the picture, it's like it looks almost like a big sunken volcanic career, but it's not. Burke's Garden. We're in Virginia. I think we're near Bland. B-L-A-N-D, Virginia. This is the inside of our shelter. Pretty nice. We even have a front door.